All right, good morning, everybody. We're going to start this day off right. Just so happens to be my birthday today, so Bingo Cash will, and of course, be just super nice to me. Let's hit a little rookie game here, because, playing poor today. 3, a 2, a 1, let's do it. All right, 7. I think a good trick to keep in mind as you're doing this is the color corresponds with the row, right? So as opposed to just kind of unfocusing your eyes and looking at everything in order to hit those fast, just get good at knowing what color is in which row. That way you can refine where you're looking to just one row as opposed to the entire board just by identifying the color. Come on, baby, now. Not killing for me. Okay, there we go. That's pretty good. Oh, was it this guy? Well done. Let's see, which one should we get? Probably should hit this 4. 11. Okay, we'll take it. It's not bad. 2. No, nothing for us. We're gonna hold on to that A. I don't remember what that is exactly, but I think it's just the pick like one, but I don't get to pick which one. That's the one I get to pick which one. Yeah, so this one. Oh shit, I should have paid attention a little bit more. That was dumb of me. Let's say height, because I know we need some things in that row. Well, that was okay. 38. Oh, there we go. Nice. 54. Nope. Have all the other 50s seemingly. 34. Oh shit, I didn't mean to hit that one. Whatever. 31. That was good. 39. Oh, there we go. 36. Nope. Well, we are about to get so many bingos. I'm holding on to that other one as well. That's just going to let me pick any one. We're just going to stack them up. 18. We're going to get that so we get our points. There we go. Never want to collect one with out the points being taken there. 70. Okay, we don't have anything there. I want to try to get a double dab, which is why I'm holding on to 14. No, nothing. Okay, how can we get that double dab? I need to think for a second. 73. 25. Okay, there's one. And 75. Okay, there we go. Let's do that. Double score. Let's hit some bingos up. Yup. 2 there. There we go. 33. Nice. It's another bingo. There we go. 62. Nice. Let's go ahead and hit this 20. Let's see. Would that be the best one for us? Oh, this one will get us 2. 1 in each corner. And there we go. 17. Nice. Okay. 67. That's not going to kill it for us. 2 seconds left. Come on. 5. Oh, yes. We got it. I hit that last one so fast. Oh, man. That was exciting. Oh, only second place. The Bolshevik Revolution. I felt like I should be awarded for that last second speediness. It was so awesome. Would you look at that? We are right back where we started. Alright guys, thanks for playing with me on my birthday as I progress to one more year of life and one more level of Bingo Cash. The real important things, You guys having a great day.